Welcome to my channel. See how I'm mechanic.
Alright, so here we got a Toyota Camry that has a grinding fender. This is the third video I'm gonna be making just to show you guys that this thing works. So when you open your door, see? Every time you open it, that's really annoying. Alright, so what we're gonna do is real simple. So I got a cardboard box here, as you can see, and I got a knife. So I'm just gonna cut the cardboard box. I'm just gonna use a square piece, just like that. Yes, like that. So first, I'm gonna open the door, and I'm gonna start double. So I'm just gonna fold it in two. I'm gonna stick it up here and bring it down. Not all the way down. It's touching. I can see it's touching on the bottom, so I'm gonna just go a little bit above. Just close the door. Open it again. And then I'm gonna push it in and close it again. Open it again. Oh, sorry. Push it down more. Keep pushing it down. So I'm gonna take it out and see where it's exactly touching. Okay, so now it's touching in the middle, right in the center right here. Okay. So I'm gonna fold it now in four pieces, because it seems to be that it needs more. Need to be stronger. Yeah. I'll push it in more. Try to slide it out there. It's barely not touching, so you gotta pay attention here. As you can see, if I stick it in here when the door is open and I close it, now if I try to open it with a cardboard inside, you're gonna push your fender inside, so your door is not gonna open. So don't do that. If you see that it's hard to open, you wanna pull the fender, like kind of pull the fender out, so the door can go right behind it. So now it's barely touching on the bottom right here. Alright, so I'm gonna open it, put it in all the way to the bottom, then close the door. Keep putting it in. Try to pull it out. I can hear something right at the bottom, so I'm gonna fold it now. So this will be in 6 pieces. Now this one should do it, because this now is really thick. So to stick it in, you have to open your door all the way. Oops, sorry about that. Open the door all the way. Bring it all the way to the bottom. Okay. Now I'm going to close the door. slide it out. Just keep playing with the door back and forth and wiggle your cardboard out. There. No more noise. No more noise. As you can see, that's a perfect line now, going all the way up. Perfect line. No more touching. No more grinding. Nice. Alright. I hope you like this video, and I hope you can fix your own door without paying anybody. See you in the next one.